Hey there, this is Doc Mountain and welcome you to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can swap one cryptocurrency into the other on Binance. So recently, people just received Hamster Combat's tokens, and it's been a challenge to many, especially on how to swap Hamster Combat tokens into USDT, which is a stablecoin, so as to withdraw it. So I will demonstrate how to swap cryptocurrency from one form to the other by using XRP. And what I'm gonna do is what you'll be able to do whenever you are dealing with any kind of cryptocurrency. So let's take a ride to Binance. So I'm in. So what you do is you click in the bottom right, and this is what you're gonna see. They're saying total balance there. So what you need to do is you check the assets which are available. So I have 24.918444806 USDT. Then I have XRP, which is 5.0000048,518. So what I need to do is I need to ensure that the assets are actually in the spot wallet. So when you check on top there, the spot wallet is the one which is active. If it's elsewhere, you need to click transfer, and then what you need to do is you check on top there, where is it coming from? Is it from funding? So you click those double arrows there, so that you transfer the funds from funding wallet into the spot wallet. And then you check at the bottom there, you say what is it that you want to change or to transfer rather. You search for the coin. If it's hamster, you type HMSTR, then you'll be able to transfer it. You go by the maximum, you choose the maximum so that none of the tokens remain in that funding wallet. So now when everything comes to spot wallet, you'll be able to see them at the bottom here, as you can see. So now what is the next step? The next step that you need to take is you click trade. Okay, but of course when you have fewer tokens, you'll be told you can't trade, but you can swap this. Normally we go by convert. So you click there where it reads convert, and you'll be brought here. Come on. Okay, so from here you will actually click on that arrow which is on top, so as to choose which cryptocurrency you want to swap from its form into the other form. So since you want to convert Hamster Combat into USDT, you choose Hamster, but in my case I'll go by XRP. Okay, so XRP is on top. In your case, Hamster will be on top there, and then you choose the cryptocurrency into which you would want your your cryptocurrency to be converted into. So I want my XRP to be converted into USDT, so I'm going to click at the bottom there, then I choose USDT. Okay, so now the next thing that you need to do is you now type the amount of tokens that you want to be converted into USDT. So in this case, I will go by max because I don't want any coin, an XRP coin, to remain in this wallet. I want a whole lot of it to be converted into USDT. So I'm going to click max. Okay, so and they're showing me I have 5.04448,518, and then I can go ahead. I'm going to click trade and then proceed, confirm. You have to be real fast here, and boom, you see that there's a notification that has successfully been done. So we can hit back to the main page, Okay, so I'm going to click wallets. And here we are. When you look at Tether, yeah, that's 27.882. All right, so now that I'm done, you can see my USDT there. I have 27.882457. So my XRP is nowhere to be seen here. So all of the tokens have been converted into USDT. So what I would do in the next video is I would demonstrate how now you can withdraw the tokens from Binance into your bank account. Okay, into your bank account. I won't do the P2P thingy, but I'll show you how we can do this using your bank account. So stay tuned, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and you turn on the notification bell so that the next time I will post that video, you will receive a notification that a video has been uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.